Number 1. APEC Water Systems ROES-50. Essence 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system. You're considering the APEC Water Systems ROES-50, a top-notch under-sink reverse osmosis system that's earned its spot as a popular pick. And for good reason. This system offers out-of-sight filtration with on-demand filtered water from a countertop faucet dispenser, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. One of its standout features is its straightforward operation. You won't need to be a plumbing expert to install or maintain this system, and the filters are easy to replace when the time comes. Speaking of filters, the ROES-50 boasts a 5-stage filtration process that removes a whopping 93% of fluoride, 95% of iron, and 96% of lead and copper from your drinking water. That's some serious peace of mind. The sizable 4-gallon storage tank is another major perk, holding plenty of filtered water for your daily needs. And with a rating of 50 gallons per day, this system should be more than sufficient for households of 3 to 4 people. Yes, the wastewater to clean water ratio is a somewhat unremarkable 3:1, but it's on par with similarly priced under-sink reverse osmosis systems. What I love most about the ROES-50 is its long filter life, up to 4 years for the reverse membrane filter and carbon filters. That means less hassle and expense in the long run. Of course, you will need to devote some under-sink cabinet space to this unit, but trust me, it's worth it. In conclusion, if you're seeking a reliable and efficient under-sink reverse osmosis system that delivers fresh filtered water without breaking the bank, the APEC Water Systems ROES-50 is an excellent choice. Check it out and see for yourself why it's the best reverse osmosis system on the market. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best reverse osmosis systems.